In this video, I will show you how you can create a free QR code for your Google Forms. First of all, you need to go here, click this, and go under your forms here. If you don't have any form yet, make sure to create one by clicking this plus here. But in this case, I would just click this form here that I already have. Make sure as well that you can have like the responses, like everything is working and active. And then you have to click this button here, send, and this one to copy the link here. And you can as well go here, copy. So you can copy this, but before you do that, make sure you can shorten the link like this, and then you copy. You will have this link now ready. All you have to do next is to type in Canva and go into your Canva. And then click the button, create a design. Now you have to do custom size here, click, and then you made 1080 by 1080 like this. Create a new design, as simple as that. Now that you have the new design ready, go to the left navigation bar of Canva, click on apps, and then type in QR code. Like you can see here, I type in QR code here, and you have to click this icon here. So by clicking this, you click open. Now all you have to do is just paste here the link we copied and click generate code. All we have to do is now to resize the code here like this. Perfectly. So, and then you go here under share and just download the QR code like this. And say, for example, Google Form. And now you have this file here ready to go, and as soon as you scan this here, this QR code, you will be able to be redirected to the Google Form you already made. As simple as that. Very, very simple to make by using Canva. You can use the free Canva. You don't need any premium subscription or so. That's the way to go. Thanks for watching. Leave a like if that video was helpful, and see you soon in the next video.